All right, everybody, today we're going to be doing simplifying expressions. Remember, the rule for simplifying expressions is as long as the variables are the same and to the same power, we're allowed to combine the numbers. So let's go ahead and rock and roll this out. We got 5m plus 3m. That's like 5 monkeys plus 3 monkeys, and that's going to give us 8 monkeys. So we'll have 8m. Next, we have 2 over 5y plus negative 6 over 5y. They both end in y, so they have the same term. And we remember our rule for combining rational numbers that are fractions, that if the denominator is the same, we can add the numerator. Well, this is 3 plus negative 6. Plus negative 6 is a positive times a negative, which makes a negative. So this is really 3 minus 6. That's making us go backwards on the number line. Remember, we'll be going forward 3, 1, 2, 3 from 0, and then back 6. So we'll be passing 0 back up and going into negative 3. So this is going to be negative 3 over 5y. Next, we've got number 3. We got 3.1n minus 1.1n. If I took my pen here, I'd see that I have really 3.1 minus 1.1. They both have n, so they're like terms that will end in n. And 1 minus 1 is 0, and 3 minus 2, or 3 minus 1 is 2. That's going to give me 2. There should be nothing more than 2n. Let's check it out. And I did say we would have 2n there, so let's see. 2n. All right, now we've got negative 2.6 minus 2.8 c. So they're both end in c. They have like terms. And I see that I've got 2 negative signs, which means they're going to keep going back on the number line. If we had a number line, let's just say with 0 in the middle, and all the positives over here, all the negatives over here, we're going to negative 2.6 from 0, right? And then we're going further back in the negatives. So this is really going to be adding these two numbers together and keeping the negative symbol in front. This is going to be negative 5.4. And since the like term is c, it'll be negative 5.4c. Next, we have number 5. Again, they both end in x. We could say we have negative 3x plus 12x, or we could say we have 12x minus 3x, and we're saying the same thing. 12 minus 3 is 9, so that's 9x. Number 6, again, we have two fractions that have the same denominator. They both have the same variable to the same power, so we're allowed to combine the numerators. We have 4 minus 5, that's going to be negative 1. So this is going to be, oh, wait a second, that's a negative sign in front of my 4 over 22. So really, we're doing the two negatives combining again. So this is going to be 4 and 5 together make 9. That'll be negative 9 over 22t. And number 7 says which expression is equivalent? Well, as we see over here, we've got two like terms. We've got the v's, right? And then we've got the regular numbers. Let's start with the v's. We got negative 2v minus 3v. They're both negative, so we're going to combine them together and keep the sign in front. 2 and 3 is 5, so it'd be negative 5v. We know it's either going to be the first one or the last one. And then we've got 8 minus 4, which would be 4. So that tells me right there, D has to be the right answer. D. Oh, sorry about that. Next, we've got number 8. Which expression is equivalent to this expression? And again, let's write this out. We know that we have our x's over here, and we have our numbers in the middle. Well, this time, let's do the numbers first. We have negative 1 plus negative 4. That's going to be negative 5. So we know it's going to be one of these last three. Now we've got to go ahead and look at these. They both have like terms. That's great. They're the same power. We can combine them, but A rule for rational numbers and fractions say our denominators have to be the same. We can multiply 2 over 7 to 2 over 2 because remember, I'm allowed to multiply 1 to any number and it will equal itself. I'm using 2 over 2 because every fraction is really a division problem. So this is 2 divided by 2, and that equals 1. So I'm not breaking any rules. Now I got 2 times 2, and that's going to be 4. And then I have 7 times 2, and that's going to be 14. And a positive times a negative will make this a negative 4 over 14. Now, I can go ahead and look, I've got to take this and combine it with 3 over 14x. Remember, this isn't x over here. And so that we've got 3 minus 4, that's negative 1. So this is really negative 1 over 14x. So negative 1 over 14x minus 5, it appears that C will be our answer. Number 9 says simplify the given expression. Once again, we're going to look at the like terms. We've got something that ends in F here. The only other one that ends in F is this one. So we've got negative 1.3. And then we got positive 2.9. We take the big number minus the small number, and we keep the sign of the big number. So 6 minus 3, or 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 2 is 2 minus 1, excuse me, is 1. So this is going to be 1.6f. There's no other j's, so this is going to remain 0.4j. And then we have negative 12 minus 1. That's going to be negative 13, because 12 and 1 make 13. They're both negative, so they're going to create a more negative 13. So my answer should be something like 1.6f plus 0.4j minus 13. 1.6x plus 0.4j minus 13. Number 10 is next. Number 10 says n plus 4.5 minus 0.3n minus 3. So again, we're going to take our like terms, and we see that we've got n and a negative 0.3n. Remember, there's always a 1 in front of my n. So this is really 1.0 minus 0.3, and that would be 0.7n. And then we have 4.5 minus 3. Well, that's going to be big number minus small number. That's going to be 1.5. So my answer should be 0.7n plus 1.5. Next, we got number 11. And number 11, again, we're going to find those like terms. We got something that ends in y here and here. And then we have 8 and 5. Well, 8 plus 5 is 13. So that is going to be 13 as our first part of the number. I'm just finding a better place to write this. 13 will be the first number. And then we have negative 4y plus negative 2y. Positive times negative is a negative, so this is negative and a negative. We're adding together. That's going to make negative 6y. So our answer should be something like 13 minus 6y. There we go, minus 6y plus 13. All right, let's go to number 12. This time we've got 2.8 minus 4.4n minus 2n plus 7. Well, here's our n's. Let's combine them first. We got negative 4.4 minus 2. That's going to be 4 plus 2 is 6. So that'll be negative 6.4n. And now we got 2.8 plus 7. Remember, we line this up with our decimal. So that's going to be 9.8. So answer should be something like negative 6.4n plus 9.8. There you go. Number 13 says we've got 11 plus negative 3 minus 1 over 8j minus 3 over 8j plus 7. Again, we have the j's here. There are like terms. We have our numbers over here. So this is going to be 11 minus 3. That's going to be 8. And 8 plus 7 is going to be 15. So we should have 15 for a number. And then our two fractions have the same denominator, same variable. So we've got negative 1 and negative 3. That'll be a negative 4 over 8j. So it should be something like 5 minus 4 over 8j. There we go. 15, not 5. 15 minus 4 over 8j. And we really could have reduced this to 1/2. It could have been negative 1/2 j. But that's the way the book's got it. Next, we've got 2 over 11z minus 5 over 11z plus 4 minus 1 over 11z minus 8. And we see that we go ahead and combine our z's all together. They're all the same variable, the like term. So this is 2 minus 5, that's negative 3. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. This is going to be negative 4 over 11z. And now the numbers are left. We got 4 minus 8. Well, that's a negative 8. So that's going to be a negative 4. So answer should be something like negative 4 over 11z minus 4. There we go. Last one, explain whether 8t minus 3y minus 4t is equivalent to 7t plus negative 3t minus 3y. Well, if we look at the like terms here, we've got t here and a t here. 8 minus 4 is 4, so this is going to be 4t. And there's no other term to mix with our y, so it'll be minus 3y. Our next one, we have a t here and a t here. This is a positive times a negative, which makes a negative. So this is 4t minus 3t, and that's going to be 4t. And there's no other y, so we're going to keep that negative 3y. And do we see we came up with the same terms? So our answer should be the two expressions are equivalent because 8t minus 3y minus 4t simplifies to 4t minus 3y. Just the same way as 7t plus negative 3t minus 3y also simplifies to 4t minus 3y. Replacing the same values for t and y into both expressions gives the same answer. All right, I believe that's all for tonight. Good luck, and I'll see you on the next homework.